How to use formula in data in Notion. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me go over it to quick and easy and how you can use formula in Notion database. Well, first things first, you can open up your database that you wish to use the formula on the particular page. You can either create a new or you can head over to the existing one. Then you want to click on the slider icon at the right hand side of the screen, the settings icon within the database page. Once you click on it, you'll get these options here. Now remember, don't get confused, it's not property visibility. You want to head into edit properties option. Then from here, what you want to do is you want to look in for formula. So you want to make sure first tap on new property, click on new property, and then from here you want to search in formula and select formula here, and then you can proceed to use it. So you can see formula type. You can either edit the formula, tap on done, and then you can proceed to use the formula, right? So this is pretty simple and pretty easy. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.